Dear friend, if you are looking for the fastest way to lose weight so you could look great and fit into your favorite pair of jeans when you are 2 sizes down, all without sacrificing your favorite food or killing yourself with a strict diet plan, then you are in the right place. Because what you're about to discover one of the fastest methods to help you melt those pounds of fat in the easiest and sustainable way possible. But first, do you know the real reason why you're struggling to lose weight? Think about it. How many weight loss programs have you tried? How many magic pills, supplements, or diet tea that you've tried or heard that promise magical results? To be honest, I've tried a lot of those so-called magic bullets, but it always ends up with disappointment. The truth is, losing weight don't have to be complex. You don't need to learn rocket science to lose weight. It all comes down to a very simple formula. However, I believe that most weight loss advice out there requires you to go on a caloric deficit, follow a hard and intensive exercise program, sacrifice your favorite food and snacks, complicated calorie counting, and we both know that complexity will only lead to downfall. This is why most of us fail to lose weight, and it's never easy to follow a complicated diet with too many restrictions for an extended period of time. So is there an easier way? Buckle up, because today will be the turning point of your life. You're about to discover the easiest and simplest way to lose weight without having to suffer from a strict diet or crazy exercise routine. You're about to learn one of the best diet strategies to help you achieve your dream physique as quickly as possible, and it doesn't have to be years. This diet formula has helped me break through weight loss plateaus, spike metabolism, and achieve my dream physique for important occasions. Now you can finally learn the formula to lose weight and get your dream body fast. Your frustration ends here. Introducing Intermittent Fasting Formula, Diet Protocol for Extreme Weight Loss. Intermittent Fasting Formula is an easy-to-follow plan to help you lose weight fast. The best part is, you don't have to ban your favorite food. This is what makes the intermittent fasting easier to stick to compared to other restrictive diet plans out there, while delivering remarkable results. This blueprint reveals everything you need to know about intermittent fasting, how to get started with intermittent fasting, learn how intermittent fasting works, the amazing mental and physical health benefits, diet protocols, effective tips to get better results fast, and much more. If you want to get ripped, burn stubborn belly fats, and improve overall health quickly, then this is the solution that you've been waiting for. Here are some of the topics uncovered inside this transformational program. What is intermittent fasting? Why has it become so popular? And how is it different from other ways of dieting? The core benefits of intermittent fasting. The intermittent fasting formula for rapid weight loss. Safety protocols of intermittent fasting. How to use the 16-8 intermittent fasting diet protocol. How to use the 24-hour eat-stop-eat diet protocol. How to use some of the other popular intermittent fasting methods, like alternate day, 20-4, and 5-2 methods. How to maximize the results of your intermittent fasting regime. How to introduce intermittent fasting into your life, and how to get started successfully. And so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. This is the golden key for those who want to lose weight fast without sacrificing their favorite food, achieve their best physique fast, get started with healthy living, break the weight loss plateau, live a longer and healthier life, look good and feel better in their own skin, increase their self-esteem and build self-confidence, be in a more positive, creative, high energy, and motivated state. So here's the good news. You get to gain instant access to the intermittent fasting formula for a low, one-time investment. Just know that this ultimate blueprint is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now. But I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part? Your life will change when you've achieved your dream physique, and it doesn't have to be difficult. All you have to do from here onwards is to apply what you learn from intermittent fasting formula for the next 30 days. And if you fail to see any improvements in your life, Just return your order within 30 days for a full refund. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, that's not all. If you get Intermittent Fasting Formula right now, you will also get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of Intermittent Fasting Formula. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Intermittent Fasting Formula by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.